Hey guys, welcome. It's a girl Juliana Soul Vlog, and I'm here with a word of encouragement for you all today. In spite of what you're going through, give God thanks. That's what I'm gonna start off with, and put God first. Put God first. Okay. Welcome guys. It's the girl Juliana Soul Vlog, and if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Yes guys, put God first in whatever you're doing, and things may be looking slow at the moment, but never give up, because hard work and dedication, that's what paid off. So for instance, that you are a vlogger, post a video regularly. I'm not gonna stop emphasizing and posting video more often guys, because the more you post videos, the more YouTube algorithm will push your content out, and the more people will discover your channel. Every single day I find new people coming to my platform, and guys, please keep your channel respectfully clean. Keep your channel clean, because you know it's not everybody like the vulgarness, and it's not everybody gonna will come and stay. I know that no matter what you do, some people will still have a problem. So even if you're doing good, people will still have a problem. But keep your channel clean as possible, because you see, when your channel is clean, you know that everybody can watch your content. And guys, ensure that you try to post at least, if it's even one video per day, is good. And the next thing, if you're for instance that you are a person who's going to report about the news, not better show your face. I wouldn't recommend that you show your face, because the news reporting thing is like a little informal work. Anybody want to bash me in the commenters, I just so it's just like you're giving people information when you're supposed to get the information, you understand? Because the same people who want to report about and stuff, they are the same one watching the video, and then most of you guys are giving out your location, which is a bad thing. So people know where exactly to find you, when to find you. You're doing a live stream, you're telling people that, hey, I'm gonna be there, just like Lee Gate TV. My condolence to his family member and everything. Well, so just like Lee Gate TV guys who give out information that they know exactly where to find him. I'm not gonna emphasize on that, but guys, try your best not to show your face. Keep it private. Keep it private. Just if they want to know your voice, if they want to hear your voice, let them hear your voice, but not your face. Okay, see you guys. Hey guys, welcome.
You get purple on
They're eating chicken box, guys. No matter some I love KFC bad. Can't do without KFC. Hope you guys are having fun. Hmm? Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice, guys. When we're done.
Yeah, right there.
What my grey bag?
No, 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 Mom. Jordan, tell me I want something for you. Mercy want somebody? It's a good something for your body. Pumpkin seed with peanut on it. You see you?
No.
Mommy, I put my mom in the car or back on my people.
So one thing what I know about in life, you see when you have things, when you dip on your foot, everybody know you. So the moment when you not have it, nobody not know you. You no matter who, family, friends. It's when you don't on your face and you have it, they don't know. That, without dip, can't like you.
Let me know when to release. If I can turn it and get it up. You like them?